Hello everyone. Let's discuss Booleans. Boolean is a data type that accepts two types of values, that is true and false. For example, if I write x equal to true and y equal to false, and if I print the type of this, let's say x, see, Boolean. If I print the type of y, see, Boolean. So Boolean represent this idea of true and false, which in programming is kind of like saying zeros and ones. These are logical values. So if I write x equal to 1 and y equal to 0, and if I print the type of y, this is int, but if I change it to Boolean and print C, this is giving a false value. If I change y to x and print again C, this is giving a true value. So 0 in Boolean is a false value, 1 is a true value. Now what about if I write some other integer, let's say 45. See, again this is giving the true because this is a true value. And if I put a negative sign, see, again this is a true value because this is a non-zero value. So in Booleans we have false for the 0 and true for all the non-zero values. Now you might be thinking, what is the use of Booleans? Where it finds application? How it is helpful? Yes, they become really very useful while using conditionals. They are used to test logics, to control the flow of our program. They are used to make decisions. For example, if something is true, then do or print something. And if something is false, then do another thing. This is the way how we use Booleans. When we will study conditionals and loops, then we will discuss Booleans in more detail. So let's find out strings. Now strings, they are nothing but a text, a sentence. It may be a word. Now in other languages you might have seen a character. For example, if I assign x equal to a and y equal to, let's say, Python, and I want to print the type of x and the type of y. Let's find out. See, this x is having only a single character a and y has a word Python, but both are of type string. So in Python we don't have the concept of character. Everything is a string if it is written inside a quotation marks. It may be a single quotation mark or it may be a double quotation mark. If I again print the type of y, see, this is giving string. We can also assign numbers, and again if I print the type of x, it is giving string. We can also assign special characters. Let's run it. See, again this is giving the type string. So everything that is written inside a single quotation marks or double quotation mark, it is string. One more method is used for assigning strings, and that is triple single inverted commas, but these are used for long strings. For example, if I write name equal to Python class and just print name. But if I have to write something long, Python class is my favorite class, and I want to write in 3 lines. See, this is giving an error, end of line while scanning string literal. Why this is so? Because this has been written in 3 different lines without end of line. Now if I put it inside 3 single quotes, and again if I print, see, this is printing in the same way as it has been assigned. So this is the third method of assigning strings. Let's find out some more examples. Let's take a variable first name equal to Akshay and last name Singh. If I want to join or concatenate these 2 strings together, what should I write? Let's print first name plus last name. See, this is the plus operator that is used for concatenating 2 strings. Again, if I assign x equal to 5 and y equal to 6, and if I print x plus y and just comment it, see, so this plus operator, it adds 2 integers together and it concatenates 2 strings together. So plus has different behavior with different type of data type. But hey, there is no space in between these 2 strings. So let's add a space in between. Very nice. So in this way we can put a space in between 2 strings. Now these 2 strings has been assigned this value while writing the program. What if I want to take the input from the user? What should I use? Well, we have to use input function. So what is an input function? What are the properties of input function? And what is the return type of input function? These are some questions that we'll see in the next video. Till then, bye bye.